Welcome grade 4. Now we are going to start second lecture of computer, chapter number 4. First topic is how to cut and paste a file or folder. You can move a file or folder from one place to another place. To move a file or folder, follow the given steps. Select the file or folder to be cut. Right click the mouse button and click the cut option. Select cut option. After selecting the cut option, select the location where the file is to be moved. Open this folder by double clicking it. Now right click by the mouse button and click the paste option where you want to paste the file or folder. Students, now we are going to perform practically how can we cut a file from one place to another place. Select the file, right click by the mouse and select the cut option. Set the location where you want to paste your file. Right click by the mouse and click the paste option. The selected file gets pasted in another location. Next topic is how to select various files or folder. To select adjacent files or folders, click the first folder to be selected. Hold on the shift key and click on the last folder or file to be selected. All the adjacent files or folders are selected. To select non-adjacent files or folders, click the first file or folder to be selected. Then hold on the control key and click on each of the items to be selected. To select adjacent files and folders, follow the given steps. Select the file, the files which you want to the selected file display on the computer screen. Now we are going to select non-adjacent cells or files or folders. Select the cell, hold on the control key, select file according to your choice. This is another way to select the files. How to change the screensaver. What is screensaver? A moving picture appears on the screen. This is called the screensaver. To change the screensaver, follow the given steps. First step is right click on the desktop. Select and click on personalize. The personalization windows appear like this. Select and click screensaver. In it, the screensaver setting dialog box open. Select the screensaver from the drop down list of screensaver that you want. Set the waiting time in the wait box like this. Click on apply and then OK. The screensaver has been changed. To change the screensaver, follow the given step. Right click by the mouse. Next topic is how to resize a window. Resizing means changing the size of the window. You can resize the window to make them larger or smaller. If a window is already maximized, click on the restore down button on the window control buttons. Follow the given steps. Move the mouse pointer on any edge like this of the window until you see a double-headed arrow like this. Move the arrow inwards or outward by dragging the mouse to make the window smaller or bigger. These are the multiple choice questions related to this lecture. How to move a window? In MS Windows, a window can be moved only if it is not maximized. Follow the given steps. Move the mouse pointer toward the title bar. Click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the window to the new position where you want to shift it. How to exit or quit Windows? To exit Windows, follow the given steps. Click on Start button. On the taskbar, click on Shutdown button. A message "Windows is shutting down" will appear on the screen. After some time, the window shuts down and the screen becomes black in color. Change the screensaver. We can perform this program by practically. Right click by the mouse. Click Personalize. Screensaver option is present at the bottom. Click. The setting of screensaver is display on the computer screen. Select the screensaver which you want to apply. Wait. Select the wait. Then click OK. Last practical is how can we exit a window. Click Start button. Click Shutdown. After shutdown, the black screen appears on the monitor.